Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some unboxings for Record Store Day drop number 3. This is the October 24th drop. All this stuff will be available online at our website at www.theingroove.com starting at 1 o'clock Eastern. This is actually a pretty solid looking release. This is The Who live at the International Pop Festival, Monterey. Super cool. It's on tricolor vinyl. It has a real solid, high quality jacket just from the outside feel. Looks like a nice tip-on jacket. It says it was remastered from the original analog tape and pressed on tricolor vinyl. We don't know if it was cut from the analog tape or if it was sourced from the analog tape, digitized and cut. But either way, it looks so far like a really high quality release. Yeah, let's check it out. Nice, thick, heavy cardboard jacket. All right. What appears to be a copy of the outside analog tape box. Oh yeah, this is super sexy vinyl. Look at that. That is awesome. Real nice. Super, super cool. Not warped, no pressing defects. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. Again, 1 o'clock Eastern time. Online at the website www.theingroove.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.